Hey guys, welcome back. If you've been following along on my Facebook or Instagram posts, you know I've started doing something new. It's making these diamond painting pens. I'm going to let it up to diamond painters to show you how to use them, but I'm going to show you my process in making them. A lot of people start off with these pre-cut blanks. My wood starts out looking more like this, just chunks of wood. I'm going to use this hunk of cherry. It looks like it's going to be some really nice grain on the inside, but you can never tell until you start cutting it up. So let's crack this open and find out what's inside. It looks like we got enough good wood on the inside here to make a pen. And this is 5 1/4 inches, so that's about what I get out of my pen blanks when I pour the resin. So this piece is what I'm going to be looking to use. Again, measurement comes out to 5 1/4 inches, and I think this is going to be a beautiful little pen that comes out of this. The next step is to mark center, and as you can see the block isn't exactly square, so I'm going to just make sure that I measure from the same side on both sides. Onto the drill press. For the drill press I use a vise here to keep it upright, and I put it at an angle. It has a little notch here to keep a 45-degree angle in there, and that way the two edges rest on the bottom piece and I can keep it at a 90-degree angle. I have my depth gauge set to go down to approximately 1/4 inch. First, we're going to take this from a square to a cylinder. Okay, we have our cylinder. Let's trade spots. I very rarely map out anything that I'm doing on here. I just kind of go with what feels right on each piece of wood. I'm actually going to sand this end just to make sure that it does sand well, because there's some rough spots in here. Okay, the tip looks like it's sanded down pretty well. The inside doesn't bother me too much yet, so we're good to go. I do mark the center point on these, and that's about all I map out. Looks a little chewed up, but it's going to change drastically here shortly. Okay, I can see this is going to turn out really, really nice, but it's got a lot more sanding to go. We're getting very close here. Looks like all the rough areas are cleaned up. Now I just got to shine it up. With most woods, I just stop at regular sandpaper, but with cherry, it's hard enough and dense enough that I actually do go to a wet sanding process. Beautiful. Just got to work on a couple streaks here. It's not even a notch, just kind of looks like it. That's what I was looking for. We're not done yet. These are just the pencil lines that were left over from the center point marking. Now if you think this looks good, hang on just a couple more minutes. This is just a wipe-on polyurethane, and it's really going to transform the color of this. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back and put one more coat on it. Okay, time for the last coat. I'm going to let it spin for a few minutes just to make sure that everything's drying evenly, and then we'll take it off a lathe. Alright, let's get it off of here. Just give it a quick wipe in the center hole. good to go. Alright, all set. It's ready to post out there online. Really glad I got to share this one with you. It's one of the more beautiful, all wood, all natural pens that I've made up to this point. So I hope you liked the video. Hope you come back. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that button, hit that bell, and I'll see you back next time.